Hello CA final students. Group 1 exams are over. Now don't think about Group 1 exams. Don't speak with your friends also. Let us completely focus on next exam, direct taxation. Sir, 1.5 day is there. How to study direct taxation? It is very vast. What are the priority chapters? How we need to proceed further to get maximum marks in day after tomorrow's direct taxation. So I have prioritized the chapters. Study in this way sufficient. You will get the maximum marks. First of all, first prepare DTAA. Very small chapter. Still 7 marks will come from this chapter. Question number 3A. Always he is asking from DTAA. Very simple. Most important section 91. If there is no DTAA between India and other countries, what is the tax treatment? Next, prepare trust taxation. Exit tax is very important. From trust taxation also, he is asking 7 marks. Question number 3B always coming from trust taxation chapter. So if you like today itself finish DTAA and trust taxation, 14 marks will be in your hand. Study peacefully, sufficient. TDS and TCS, I have done revision marathon. I have discussed very clearly, very important CA final. 7 marks question will come from TDS TCS chapter. Most probably question number 4A comes from TDS and TCS chapter. Next, prepare transfer pricing. Section 94B, very important, and calculation of arm's length price, secondary adjustment. These three concepts are very important in transfer pricing. Again, question number 4B, most probably it is asked from transfer pricing. This analysis I have done from last 7 attempts question papers. So prioritize your preparation in this way, you will definitely succeed. Next, tax audit, tax planning, tax avoidance, ethical compliances, GAR, general anti-avoidance rules. From this chapter also 7 marks question is coming. Question number 6A always he is asking from this chapter. Prepare this chapter very well. Next, advanced ruling. Many students underestimate advanced ruling. Go and check. Question number 6B, most of the times in last 4-5 attempts, from advanced ruling, question number 6B is asked in the examination. So don't underestimate advanced ruling. Prepare that chapter well. Next, capital gains and other sources. Question number 2A, simple chapter only, and non-resident taxation. Question number 2B always being asked from NR taxation. So like you can take question number 2 as choice. If you take question number 2 as choice, you need to write question number 5, which contains assessment procedures. So once you finish these important chapters, then total income adjustments. With regard to total income adjustments, covering all the adjustments from last 5 attempts, exam question papers, RTPs, mock test papers, I will prepare one video. Watch that video, that will be sufficient for total income adjustment. Next, assessment procedures. As assessment procedures consists of so many dates, prepare assessment procedures just before the exam. On exam morning, study assessment procedures so that you will remember. From assessment procedures, from case laws he is asking. In question 5A, he will give 3 questions. You need to answer any 2. Okay. So assessment procedures. Then last, prepare application and interpretation of tax treaties. Question number 5B most probably comes from this chapter. So in this way, prioritize your preparation. Sufficient. I am active in my Telegram and mobile as well. If you have any doubts, please ping me. Ready to respond to your. Thank you. I wish you all the very best.